Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Livingston, Louisiana. Located in the southeastern part of the state, this small town sits along the scenic Amite River and serves as a hub for the surrounding rural communities. Known for its charming small-town atmosphere and natural beauty, Livingston offers visitors a glimpse into the quieter, historic side of Louisiana life, where local culture and nature are closely intertwined. The area that became Livingston has a rich history dating back to the early 18th century, when French and Spanish settlers moved into the region. The town itself was established later as part of Livingston Parish, which was created in 1832 from portions of St. Helena, Tangipahoa, and St. John the Baptist parishes. Over the years, Livingston developed as a center for trade and commerce along the Amite River, which historically served as a vital transportation route for local farmers and businesses. Livingston is also known for its resilience and community spirit. In 2016, the town and surrounding parish were heavily impacted by devastating floods, but residents worked together to rebuild homes, businesses, and infrastructure, showing the strong sense of unity and perseverance that defines this community. Today, the town celebrates its heritage with local events, festivals, and outdoor activities that highlight its connection to the natural environment. Visitors to Livingston can enjoy the lush landscapes along the Amite River, nearby forests, and parks, which provide opportunities for fishing, kayaking, and wildlife observation. The town's historic buildings, local shops, and friendly neighborhoods give it a welcoming, authentic feel. Whether exploring its scenic surroundings, learning about its early settlers, or experiencing the local community, Livingston offers a unique window into the history, culture, and charm of rural Louisiana.